Welcome to our class, Amma. Let's start new chapter. What is our sixth lesson, Amma? National festivals. What is our next chapter? National festivals. All of you open your textbook, Amma. Open, children. Now look at your textbook. What is that? What is the importance of November 14? Here, what is Amma? What is the importance of November 14? Tell me, children, what is the importance of November 14? It's a Children's Day. What is this? It's a Children's Day. Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday is celebrated as Children's Day. Yes, Jawaharlal birthday kabatti we are celebrating Children's Day. Now, let's start chapter lesson. Now, India being a culturally diverse and fervent society celebrates various holidays and festivals. National festivals as days which are celebrated for their special importance in the history of nation. What is that? Madam, national festival. Why are you celebrating national festivals, Amma? This national festivals, freedom fighters కానీ ఇంకా సొసైటీకి యూస్ఫుల్ అయ్యే వాళ్ళు ఏదైనా వర్క్ చేస్తారనుకోండి, ఆ డేని మనము నేషనల్ ఒక హిస్టారికల్ డేగా క్రియేట్ చేసి మనము నేషనల్ ఫెస్టివల్గా సెలబ్రేట్ చేసుకుంటాం. లుక్ ఎట్ సమ్ నేషనల్ ఫెస్టివల్స్ అమ్మా. ఇన్ అవర్ కంట్రీ వీ హ్యావ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ నేషనల్ ఫెస్టివల్స్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద నేషనల్ ఫెస్టివల్స్ అమ్మా? We know some festivals. Tell me some festivals, national festivals. Independence Day. First one is the what? Independence Day. Where it is celebrated, Amma? 15th August. Independence Day. Now next one, Republic Day. Republic Day. Where it is celebrated 26th January. Now third one, Amma, Gandhi Jayanti. Next one is the what? Gandhi Jayanti. Where it is celebrated, Amma, Gandhi Jayanti? 2nd October. Now fourth one, Children's Day. Children's Day. Where it is celebrated Children's Day? 14th November. Now fifth one, Amma, Teachers Day. Teachers Day. 5th September. Teachers Day is 5th September. These are national festivals. What is the national festivals, Amma? Independence Day 15th August and Republic Day 26th January, Gandhi Jayanti 2nd October and Children's Day 14th November and Teachers Day 5th September. Okay? Look at some individuals. First one, Amma. Let's learn about Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated every year and 15th August. What is that? Independence Day celebrating in every year and 15th August. This was the day when India was freedom from British rule. What is that? This day was freedom from the British ruler. Now, it is a national festival and has equal importance for every Indian regardless of religious, class, creed or race. What is that? This is a national festival and this is celebrating in every Indian equal to the nationals, religions, class, creed and race. Their way of celebration is also the same throughout the country, and that is the day when you will find all India celebrating and rejoicing. What is that? In India alone, every person ఈ celebration అనేది ఈక్వల్ గా సెలబ్రేట్ చేసుకుంటారు. ఒకే ప్రాసెస్ లో సెలబ్రేట్ చేస్తారు. Now many cultural programs are organized and children love to watch them and participate in them. What is that? 15th August రోజు we are celebrating cultural programs. So we are celebrating cultural programs. Children and students join these cultural programs and celebrate culturals and participate in them. Now, the Prime Minister of the country unfolds the national flag at the Red Fort. What is that? The Prime Minister of the country unfolds the national flag at a Red Fort. Red Fort దగ్గర our Prime Minister జెండా అనేది ఫ్లై చేస్తారు. Now, the national flag is also hoisted at all important buildings in villages, towns and cities. National flag ఫ్లాగ్ హోస్టింగ్ ఎప్పుడు చేస్తారమ్మా? ద నేషనల్ ఫ్లాగ్ ఈజ్ హోస్టింగ్ ఎట్ ఆల్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ బిల్డింగ్స్. సో విలేజెస్లో కానీ సిటీస్లో కానీ ఎక్కడ కానీ ఫ్లాగ్ హోస్టింగ్ అనేది చేస్తారు. ఇంపార్టెంట్ బిల్డింగ్ దగ్గర ఈ 15th ఆగస్ట్ రోజు ఫ్లాగ్ హోస్టింగ్ అనేది ఇన్ ఎవ్రీ విలేజ్లో, ఇన్ ఎవ్రీ సిటీలో ఇట్స్ అ మస్ట్. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ అమ్మా రిపబ్లిక్ డే. The Republic Day is celebrated all over the country on 26th January with great pomp and show. When it is celebrated, Amma? This Republic Day celebrated 26th January. In Delhi, it is celebrated amidst great enthusiasm and joy. Delhi is celebrated a special parade he held on this day. Early in the morning, people being to assembly at Rajpath and other places from Rajpath to Red Fort to watch the parade. The President of India takes a salute. What is that? In a early morning, the people being to the assembly at Rajpath and other places from Rajpath to the Red Fort. Now, a process. The President of India takes the salute. It is said the President of the India take the salute. Now, the procession starts from the Vijay Chowk. All the three wings of armed force that take part in the parade. There is a display of various arms, tanks, guns and other weapons of war. Em chesaru? What is the doing, Amma? In this one? There is a display of various arms, tanks, big guns and other weapons of war. Now, military bands play different tunes. Military వాళ్ళు బ్యాండ్ చేస్తారు కదా, అది చాలా డిఫరెంట్ ట్యూన్స్ తోటి బ్యాండ్ చేసుకుంటూ వస్తారు. నెక్స్ట్ ఎన్సిసి క్యాడెట్స్ అండ్ ద పోలీస్ ఆల్సో పార్టిసిపేట్ ఇన్ ద ప్యారడే. సో ఈ ప్యారడేలో ఇంకెవరు పార్టిసిపేట్ చేస్తారమ్మా? ఎన్సిసి క్యాడెట్ వాళ్ళు అండ్ పోలీస్ మ్యాన్స్ ఆల్సో participated in the parade. Now they all followed the tableaux and from the different states. They depict a true picture of the life and customs of the people of the respective state and the progress that they have made after Independence Day. This is about the Republic Day. Next, let's see about next festival is about national festival Gandhi Jayanti and Children's Day, Teachers Day. This three I will explain in our next class. Okay. Okay, Mama. Thank you.